Flask is arguably the most popular framework for web development in Python, shortly followed by Django and the increasingly popular Fast API. It lets you quickly and elegantly build an API by adding decorators to your functions. This means you can get a working API in just 5 lines of Python. Ever wondered why it's called Flask and what's going on with this logo? Flask's name is actually a play on an earlier framework, Bottle. Bottle is your message in a bottle framework, and a key part of its design that it was shippable as just a single file. Flask took a slightly different approach to Bottle, splitting functionality out across multiple libraries and providing a much more extensible architecture. Flask is looked after as part of the Palettes project. Palettes was founded by Armin Ronacher as an umbrella to maintain his popular web development libraries, which includes Flask, Ginger, and Worksug. They're called the Palettes project because they ship code. On the logo, I thought this was a chili for a long time. It's actually a Viking drinking horn. Flask implements the Web Server Gateway Interface Standard, WSGI, often pronounced WSGI or Whiskey. WSGI is the standard that lets Python web applications talk to web servers, and Flask is how you consume the WSGI.